Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English lessons. I am Mark. Today, my friend Brian will tell a real story from his life.
Hi, friends. I am Brian. Last weekend, I invited many people to my house friends, relatives, and neighbors. I cooked a big dinner. It was a long day, but very special.
Today, you will learn many useful kitchen words and past tense. You will also learn an important life lesson. Are you ready? Let's go.
Last Saturday, I woke up early. I decided to cook for 20 people. 20! I was a little nervous.
20 people? That is a lot. What happened first?
First, I cleaned the kitchen. Then, I took out the pots and pans. I put water in a big pot to boil for soup.
Good. What verbs did you use?
I boiled the water, I chopped the vegetables, I sliced the bread.
Tell us the funny part.
Okay, I wanted to make delicious chicken soup. I put the chicken in the pot. Then I went to slice bread. But I talked on the phone with my aunt and I forgot the soup.
Oh no!
Yes, the soup started to boil over. Water came out on the stove. I ran fast and turned off the fire. My shirt got wet. I looked funny.
Did your guests see you?
No, thank God. But now I always check the pot.
Kitchen verbs. Repeat after me. Chop means cut into small pieces. Slice means cut into thin pieces. I sliced the bread. Stir means move with a spoon. I stirred the soup. Boil means cook in hot water. Fry means cook in oil. Mix means put things together. Now practice. I chopped the onions. I sliced the bread. I stirred the soup slowly.
After that, I continued cooking. I fried some vegetables with onions. They smelled very good. Then I mixed rice with spices. I tasted the soup and added salt. Not too much.
You are a good cook, Brian. What else did you do?
I baked chicken in the oven. I washed all the plates. I set the table with glasses and forks. When the guests came, everything was ready.
Wow, you worked hard.
Yes, I was tired but happy. Everyone ate and smiled. The food was delicious.
Was everyone happy?
Almost everyone, but I noticed one person, my rich uncle. He has a big car and a nice house. He has a lot of money, but he did not eat much. He only took a little soup and one small piece of bread. He looked at the food but did not enjoy it.
Really? Why?
I thought, if I had his money, I would make even better food. More meat, more desserts, more everything. I felt a little sad for him.
What did you do?
I asked him politely, "Uncle, is the food okay? Would you like more chicken?" He smiled and said, "No, thank you, Brian. I am fine."
Polite questions you can use. Would you like more soup? Is it delicious? Do you want some bread? So what happened later?
After the guests left, my mother told me the truth. My uncle has diabetes and high blood pressure. The doctor told him to eat very little sugar, little salt, and small portions. That is why he did not eat much.
Oh, I understand now.
Yes, I felt sorry. I thought money could buy everything, but money cannot buy health. My uncle has money, but he cannot eat the delicious food he wants.
That is a strong lesson.
Exactly. I went to my room and said, "Thank you to God. Thank you, God, for my healthy body. I can eat normal food. I can enjoy meals with friends. Health is more important than money."
Beautiful. So what is the main message?
Money is good, but it does not solve all problems. Some rich people have big problems too. We must be thankful for simple things: good health, good friends, and the warm meal.
Past tense review. I invited. I cooked. I noticed. I thought. I learned. Practice sentences. I sliced the bread yesterday. My uncle did not eat much. I thanked God for my health. Money cannot buy everything. Brian, let's tell the full story again with simple sentences for our friends.
Okay. Last weekend, I invited my friends, relatives, and neighbors. I woke up early, I chopped vegetables, I sliced bread, I stirred the soup boiled, I fried chicken, I baked rice in the oven, I mixed everything.
Then what?
I saw my rich uncle. He did not eat much. I thought, if I had money, I could cook more. But later, I learned he has diabetes. He must eat carefully.
And at the end?
I praised God. I understood that health is the real treasure.
Excellent. Now it's your turn to practice. Repeat after us.
I chopped the onions.
I sliced the bread.
I stirred the soup.
I boiled the water.
I fried the vegetables.
I baked the chicken.
I invited many people.
I learned an important lesson. Make your own story. Tell us in the comments, what did you cook last week? Did you help in the kitchen? What are you thankful for today? Thank you for watching this long lesson.
Remember, learn English every day, use it in the kitchen, use it with family, and always be thankful for your health.
Money is nice, but good health and kind heart are better.
Practice these sentences every day. Cook something simple this week and tell us.
Brian, after all the guests left, what did you do?
I washed the dishes. Alone. It was late at night. The house was quiet.
How did you feel?
I was very tired. My feet hurt. My hands were tired from cooking all day. I looked at the big pile of dirty plates and pots and I thought, this will take a long time.
Did you feel frustrated?
A little, but then something happened. While I was washing, I started to think. I thought about my uncle. I thought about the food. I thought about health. And then I noticed something.
What did you notice?
I noticed that I was washing 20 plates, 20 cups, 20 forks, 20 spoons. That means 20 people came to my house. 20 people sat at my table. 20 people ate my food. I was not alone. I had 20 people around me who care about me.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Yes, and I thought about my uncle again. He has money. He can buy anything. But can he call 20 people to his house? Does he have 20 people who come? I do not know, but I had them, and I felt so rich in that moment. Not with money, rich with people.
So the dishes taught you something.
Yes! Dirty dishes mean you fed people. A messy kitchen means you worked hard for others. A tired body means you gave your energy to people you love. These are not bad things. These are blessings.
That is a second very strong lesson. Health is a blessing, but so are the people around you.
Exactly. Money cannot buy real people. Money cannot buy a friend who comes to your house and eats your simple food and laughs with you. That night, I finished washing the dishes and I said thank you to God again, not just for my health, but for every single person who came through my door that day.
So what is the full message now?
Be thankful for your health. Be thankful for the people in your life. And do not be afraid of hard work, because hard work means you're doing something meaningful for others.
Past tense practice. I washed the dishes. I noticed the plates. I thought about my uncle. I felt grateful. I learned a second lesson. Repeat slowly. I washed. I noticed. I thought. I felt. I learned.
And your homework this week. Next time you wash dishes after a meal with family or friends, do not feel tired or frustrated. Count the plates. And for every plate, say thank you for one person in your life.
That is a wonderful habit. Simple English, simple action, big meaning.
Dirty dishes are not a problem. They are proof that you are loved.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.
God bless you all.
Thanks for watching The Simple Language. Keep learning, keep listening, and keep growing your English every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.